Hey loves, thanks for tuning into today's video. We are going to be doing this very cute and easy messy bun hairstyle. Literally takes me under a minute, so let's get started. I'm going to be doing this hairstyle on a very old wash and go, and the first thing I'm going to do is start by pulling a few pieces of hair surrounding my face just to give an overall cute detail to this relatively easy look. Next, I'm just taking my elastic. You guys can use whatever elastic or scrunchie that works for you. And I'm just taking my hair, pulling it up to the top of my head, and I'm also going to be taking out a few pieces of hair around the ears and the perimeter of my face just to frame my face a little bit more. Now that I have all my hair positioned where I want my bun to be, I'm going to take my elastic, pull the hair through the elastic, twist it, and pull my hair back through the elastic to create a bun. See, I told you guys it was going to be so quick and easy. This is pretty much it. Now what I'm doing is just going around and pulling extra pieces from the bun to create a messy bun style. You guys can also apply a little bit of gel like I'm doing just to create a little bit more definition and reduce any frizz. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope you guys love the style. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. And thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you in my next one.